Looking to earn some extra money on the side online? We all need the money, and who wouldn't want to earn more money, especially from home? Thankfully, there are lots of sites out there that you can use to make $100 a day. Subscribe to the channel and like the video. Top 10 sites to earn $100 a day. 1. Upwork. Upwork is a website that connects clients with freelancers. The site features freelance jobs from a range of clients and businesses. I see a lot of people asking, can I make $100 a day online? Upwork is one of the best options for doing so. Depending on the client you work with, you could easily make $100 a day through jobs you find on Upwork. 2. Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is an affiliate program where you can make money through Amazon sales. You get an affiliate link for a product. This link has a unique ID linked to your account. When someone clicks your affiliate link and buys something on Amazon, you get paid. 3. Google AdSense. When it comes to legit ways to make money with Google, their AdSense program is without a doubt the best option. If you have a blog or website of some sort, you could put ads on it with Google AdSense. It's an ad network that pays you when someone views or clicks on ads. Of course, the more visits you get, the more people are going to see your ads, meaning you make more money. Just add the pre-made code onto your site, and you'll have ads appear that make you money. 4. Kindle Direct Publishing. Do you enjoy writing? Then you may want to become an author with Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing. Through the program, you can self-publish books and sell them on Amazon. What's great about it is that you can publish fiction and non-fiction, depending on where your talents and interests lie. If you've been wondering how to make $100 a day online without investment, I'd give KDP a try, as it's free and anyone can get started with it. 5. Udemy. If you'd like to make money from home, I'd give Udemy a try. Udemy is a website where you can sell courses. If you are knowledgeable about a particular topic, you could make money teaching people about it through your Udemy courses. 6. Fiverr. Anyone can make money online with Fiverr. It's a marketplace where freelancers can make money offering their services. You can charge from $5 to $10,000 for a service. There are more than 200 categories featured on the site, so you can offer lots of different services, like freelance writing, graphic design, and voiceover work. 7. Cooperatize. Do you have a large following on social media or your blog? You could make money through sponsored content with Cooperatize. The website is home to more than 20,000 influencers who earn money online from their blogs. How do you get paid? Most publishers earn between $150 to $800 per opportunity. This should make earning $100 a day easy. 8. YouTube. Since YouTube gets more than 1 billion users each month, if you start a channel on there, you could make a lot of money from it. You'd start your channel about a topic you like, or just about your daily life, and then monetize it. You could make a channel on cooking, Minecraft, cats, or anything you want. 9. Flippa. Flippa is a website where people can buy and sell websites. You could make money from it in a couple of ways. Buy an existing website and resell it for a profit. Buy an existing website and make money from it monthly. 10. Schooly. If you enjoy teaching, then you may want to sign up for Schooly. The website connects students with online tutors All you need to get started is a computer and a good internet connection. With so many ways to make money online now, making a living from home is easier than ever. With these sites, even if you don't earn exactly $100 every single day, you still can make decent money. At the very least, you should be able to supplement your income with some extra cash on the side. Subscribe to the channel and like the video. What are your favorite ways to make $100 a day online? Let us know in the comments section below.